First, we need to work on your boxing fighting stance. So, the way that we're going to do this, we're going to pretend like you are my opponent. So my front foot, or my non-dominant foot, is going to be pointing toward my opponent. All right? My hands, my right hand, my left hand, my non-dominant hand is going to be glued to my temple, while my dominant hand, or my power hand, is going to be glued to my cheek. I'm going to keep soft knees, and my footwork, my feet are going to be about shoulder width apart. We got to make sure that we're not too long in our stance, because that's going to slow down our movement. All right, that we're about shoulder width apart, both width and length. Okay? So again, this is our fighting stance. We are on the balls of our feet for quick movement. We want to be able to move fast. If you're planted on your heels, it's going to slow you down.